Well, here's a different piece of equipment, huh, Pate?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. There's your speeds, I think. You know, I don't think...
12 hours. Huh.
Yeah, it's got 12 hours on it. 12.2 hours. Got a nice rear view mirror there. This is a Caterpillar what?
D5K2 LGP.
Okay. And I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, it is pretty cool. But yeah, that's my style right there. It's just I farm the Foley Caterpillar's property, and this dozer was sitting here, and I figured I might as well go take a look at it, right, Pate?
And it's unlocked.
And it was unlocked, and the key was in it, like that. I think that's the key, right? I would say that is a Caterpillar key, but it's on Caterpillar property, so, you know, hey, they can do what they want. And I was rather surprised to see that it was, you know,
12 hours new.
12 hour. I knew it was new because there's still paint on the track, but I thought it was pretty cool. Still paint on the track. And Peyton, you're going to see if you can unlock that thing or whatever. I think there's a way to unlock that door. 12.2 hours. And you just give her a shut. My eye! Yep, pretty cool. Oh, there it is. But yeah, you can be inside or whatever. I don't even... I'll bet this is open. Hell yeah. You get to check out the engine. Well, it's a little turbocharged deal. You see the paint still on the turbo. 4.4 cubic inches, so it's probably a little 4-cylinder deal. I think it is. Neat. Little 4-cylinder diesel. Yeah, these are a lot of fun to run, I guess. I would like it. LGP. I don't know what this stuff is. I don't know, maybe somebody knows. Got to be for hydraulics, no?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to find out. No, it's electronics. Oh, I'll bet that's for GPS guidance. Set the grade and everything.
Yeah, see this probably.
Well, no, this is where you store the caps. They're just there to store the caps. So. Glen Air. Yeah, neat. I guess this would be considered a 6-way blade, I would think. Right, left, up, down, side. Yeah, yes. And for one low, easy payment of who the hell knows what, you could have this fine Foley Caterpillar machine. Wow. So what they do actually is this is home for them, and they set up a motocross track, and they use their bulldozers and stuff to maintain it. Now, that's diesel fuel, and that's hydraulic oil. So I got CAT keys, so the key's inside, so it wouldn't matter. You just open up and take the lock. Cool though.
Barely even any mud in the tracks.
Not even any mud in the track, just a little bit of dust. Well, 12 hours worth of work. I imagine that ain't a heck of a lot, no? Yeah, neat. Yeah, well, this is where the guidance goes on here. They bolt them on there, and then the wires go up there.
Even this has paint.
Yeah, the blade, the shear isn't even worn off. Well, for 12.2 hours, it's a nice wide track. But yeah, sure wouldn't mind having that for an